Good morning. Good morning to all of you dear students. Hi. In the last class, I was talking about calendar sums. For the sake of practice, let us do some more models and a new thing I am going to tell to you in calendars. New concept. Okay. Let us see fast. Already I have written some dates. You know that I am repeating it. January month 0. This is called as month code. This is called as month code. January 0, February 3, March 3, April 6, May 1, June 4, July 6, August 2, September 5, October 0, November 3, and December 5. 03361462535. So what's the new mobile number? If anyone can ask, just by heart it 03361462535. Coming to this century, century means 100 years, 12th century. That means 100 years, 1200 to 1299 6. 13th century, 1300 to 1399 4. 14th century, 1400 to 1499 2. 15th century, 1500 to 1599. 16th century, 17, 18, 19th century, 1900 to 1999. Okay. Then 20th century, 20th. That is 2000 to 2099. This is 21st. This is 22nd. Okay. This is 23rd. So 6 4 to the 20th, 2000 to 2099. This is 20th century. 21st, 2100 to 2199. For every 100 years we have code. This code is repeating. This code is repeating. If you go front or if you go back, it is the same code. So let us see for days code: Sunday 0, Monday 1, Tuesday 2, like this. So I am going to check a date and tell that is which day. If we take for example special cases, I am discussing once again. Already in the last 2 videos I told how to solve this questions. That one also I'll tell you now. First, like this, for the sake of January and February only. January and February only, there is special case. It is special case. For example, 20th January 2012. First of all of you know that 2012 is a leap year. That means this last 2012, it is divisible by 4. 2012 is divisible by 4. Remainder is equal to 0. Okay. So whenever if you divide a year by 4, the remainder is 0. That is called as leap year. Now this is a leap year. So what is the first step to find the date? Take the last 2 digits and divide with 4. This is step 1. 4 3s are 12. Remainder is 0. So 3 is called quotient. So what we have done in the earlier classes, leave this remainder. If the remainder is 1, ignore it. 2, ignore it. 3 also ignore it. So take the quotient 3. Plus take the last 2 digits 12. Plus take the date 20. Plus this is date. This is last 2 digits. This is quotient. Okay. Take month code. January month code is 0. That is month code. Take century code 2012. 2000 to 2099 6. I'll write year code. Just add all these things. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 3 11. So it is 41. It is 41. Now finally 41 we are dividing with 7. 7 sevens are 49. 7 6 are 42. 7 5 are 35. So what is the remainder? 6. 6 means it is Saturday. So whatever remainder we get after dividing with 7. So 41 divided by 7. 7 5 are 35. Remainder is 6. This remainder is very important. Then it is called as Saturday. 6 code is for Saturday. Sunday 0, Monday 1, Tuesday 2, Wednesday 3, Thursday 4, Friday 5, Saturday 6. But the actual answer is not Saturday. It is -1. That is Friday. That is Friday. So in the case of January, in the case of February, okay, if we divide some date, what you have to do? You have to go 1 day back. You have to go 1 day before. The your answer is Saturday, you have to tell Friday. Your answer is Monday, you have to tell Sunday. Your answer is Thursday, you have to tell Wednesday. Let me check one more example. Hope this is clear. I am erasing it. Okay. If you want to check this again, so just go for the 10 seconds or 20 seconds. Go back in the video and again you watch the video so that you'll get this complete picture. Okay, one date we have checked it. So answer is Friday. This we have done now. Second one, 20th January again, 1996. Again I am getting January. January month, you know we have to go 1 day before. So first step is 96 divided by 4. For 24 is 96. So remainder is 0. So what I am doing, this is called quotient. So 24 plus last two digits 96 plus date 20 plus January 0 plus 19th century, that is 1900 to 1999 code is 0. So 6 plus 4, 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 140 I got. Final divided with 7, 7, 20 is 140. Remainder is 0 means answer is Sunday. But dear students, it is not Sunday -1 day. That is Saturday will be the answer. Saturday will be the answer. It is not Sunday. Hope this is clear. Hope this is clear. So this 24 is nothing but after dividing with 4. This is the quotient. Next 96 is last two digits of the year. Next 20 is the date. Next 0 is the month code. For January month we have code is 0. And finally we have 19th century. The code is 0. Total if I add I got 140. So 140 divided by 7. I already informed you before why we are dividing with 4 to check whether it's a leap year or not. And why we are dividing with 7? Because there are 7 days in a week. 7 days in a week. Let us see one more date in the case of February. This is done. 20 February 2016. 20 February 2016. You know that 16 divided by 4. 4 4s are 16. Remainder 0. So this is quotient. 4 plus 16 plus 20 plus month code is for February 3. February month code is 3 and year code is 2000. 20th century it is 6. So 6 plus 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 2, 3, 4. I got 49. So 49 again we divided with 7. 7 sons are 49. Remainder is 0. That means Sunday is the answer. But actual answer is, dear students, -1. Saturday is the actual answer. We are getting Sunday after doing the process, but actual answer is -1. It is nothing but Saturday. Hope this is clear. See, just adding the numbers, if you know this code, just adding the numbers is very, very simple. We can solve it in just 20 seconds. We can solve it in 20 seconds, dear students. Maximum 20 seconds. For slow learners, for fast learners, they will take 15 seconds or just less 12 seconds. Let me take one more date. Date is, this we are done now. 20th February 1984. So 84, first step divided with 4. 4 21s are 84, remainder 0 again. Quotient is 21. 21 is quotient. Last two digits is 84. Date is 20. Month code. Year code we have. Which month? February month it is 3. And which year? 1984 it is 0. 640, if you just repeat 16, 17, 18, 19, just this 4 if you remember. If you go front it is same, if you go back it is same. Just 16 to 19 if you remember, that's enough dear students. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7 it is 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got 128. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 128 divided by 7. How many times? 7 18s are 10 7 is 70 plus 56, or we can go like this. 7 1 is 7, difference is 5. 8 7 8 is 56, remainder is 2. 2 means actual answer is Tuesday dear students, but it is a month of February, so minus 1 is the answer, that is Monday. I am getting Tuesday, but the answer is Monday. Hope this is very clear. It is only the cases of January and February, dear students, in any year. Okay. Last date. Let us check. That is 31st May 1975. So 75 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 5, 6, 7, 35. 4 8 is 32, remainder is 3. Forget about the remainder, take this quotient. 18. Is it correct? Let me check. 4 1 is 4, remainder is 3, 35. 4 8 is 32, 4 9 is 36, remainder is 3. So 18 plus 75 plus 31 plus 19 into 0 plus May. May it is 1. So 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 5, 22, 23, 24. 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let me check again. This is up to here. 8 plus 5, 13, 14. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. I am getting 5 here dear students. And 8, 9, 10, 8, 5, 13, 14, 15 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I am getting some different 1, 1, 15. So 1, 1, 15 divided by 7. Let me check it. 7 1 is 7, 45. 7 7 is 49, 7 6 is 42. 3 I am getting it is Wednesday. Somewhere we have done a mistake. Let me redo it. Let me do it again dear friends. Somewhere I got some mistake. So date is 31 May 1975. So 75 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 35. 4 8s are 32. Remainder is 3. Okay. Isn't it? So 10 4 is 40. 4 times 40, 4 is 32. 72. Okay. So 18 is a quotient plus 75 plus 31. 75, 31. This is May month. It is 1. plus 0. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 3, 10, 11, 12. So 125 divided by 7. 7 on the 7, 55. 7 8s are 56. 7 7s are 49. So 6 means Saturday will be the right answer. Saturday will be the right answer. Okay, dear friends. Previously, some counting mistake or addition mistake. Okay, this is the right answer. This is not a leap year. This is an ordinary year, dear friends. So I am not going one day back. And that too, it's not the month of January or February. We have to go back. It is an ordinary month. Okay. It is about 4 or 5 questions. Now, one important thing which I am going to tell here is nothing but. If you take any year, say for example, let me start with a leap year. Let me start with a leap year. Let us take some date like 15 April 2008. I know that 2008 is a leap year because it is divided by 4. 0, it last 2 digits if I divide by 4. 4 2s. Remainder is 0, that is called as leap year. This is called as leap year. Now what I wanted to tell is repetition of the calendar. Repetition. A calendar repeat itself after how many years? A calendar repeat itself after how many years? For example, just now I took one date, 15 April 2008, something like that. Let us take 2020. This is a leap year. This is a leap year as the last 2 digits. Okay. So it repeats itself after how many years? After how many years means, dear students, if the remainder is equal to 0, I write here, if the remainder is equal to 0, if the remainder is equal to 0, the calendar repeat itself after 28 years. Okay, for example, 20 divided by 4, 4 5s are 20, remainder 0, 5 plus. We need not do all these things now because we are getting remainder 0. We have to add 28 years, that is 8, 4, 20, 48. The calendar repeats itself in 2048. 2020 calendar repeats itself in 2048. 2020 calendar repeats itself in 2048 as the remainder is 0. As the remainder is 0. Okay. If the remainder is 1, so 2021. 21 divided by 4, 4 5 is 20, remainder is 1. If the remainder is 1, when will the calendar repeat itself? After 6 years. So 21 plus 6, 2027. So 2021, 2027 are same, dear students. If January 1st is Tuesday, January 1st in 2027 will always be Tuesday. For example, what I want to tell is the calendar repeats itself. The calendar repeats itself 2021 and 27. If the remainder is 1, the calendar repeats itself after. If the remainder is 2, 22 divided by 4, 4 5 is 20, remainder is 2. If the remainder is 2, calendar repeats itself after, okay, 11 years. So 11 if I add 3, 3, 20, 33. So 2022 is same as 2033. The calendar repeats itself after 11 years if the remainder is 2 or the remainder is 3 or the remainder is 3 also the same case, dear students. So let us write some years. 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2019, 2018, 2017. I have taken like this. For example, you know that this is a leap year. This is a leap year. Here the remainder will be 0. Remainder will be 0. Remainder will be 1. Remainder will be 2. Remainder will be 3. So dear students, 20, 25 divided 4, for 5 is 20, remainder is 0. 21, for 5 is 20, remainder is 1. 22, for 5 is 20, remainder is 2. 23, for 5 is 20, remainder is 3. If the remainder is 0 for any year, the calendar repeats itself after 28 years. I have to add 28 years to 2020. If the remainder is 1, the calendar repeats itself after 6 years. After 6 years. If the remainder is 2, the calendar repeats itself after 11 years. If the remainder is 3, the calendar repeats itself after 11 years. So, if the remainder is the calendar repeats itself after 28 years. If the remainder is 1, the calendar repeats itself after 6 years. And also, if the remainder is 2, the calendar repeats itself after 11 years. If the remainder is 3, also the calendar repeats itself after 11 years. This is the case. This is for plant or back. So, if it is 1 year ago, that is 2019. So, 19 divided by 4. 4 4 is 16. Remainder is 3. If the remainder is 3, what happens is, friends? Calendar repeats 11 years ago. Minus 11 years I have to do it because it is going back to 2018. So 18 divided by 4. 4 4 is 16. Remainder is 2. Again the calendar repeats it. 11 years minus ago. And it is whatever 17. Remainder is 1. Remainder is 1 means the calendar repeats minus 6 years. So front and back it is same. Front and back it is same. How the calendar repeats itself? We have checked now which month and which month of the calendar remains same. One more point is that which month and which month, yes friends, you know that? April month is same as July month in any calendar. April month of the calendar will be same as July. April 5th is Tuesday, July 5th is Tuesday. April 9th is say Wednesday, July 9th will be Wednesday. And some more models are left. How many months the calendar repeats itself after how many years? Okay, the calendar repeats itself also. There is one point which I will explain in the next video. But before that, let me tell you one important point. 2001, 2002, 2003, okay, 2003, 2004, 2005, like this, dear students. If there are 2 leap years between any 2 years, for example, 2004 is a leap year, okay. So let me write from 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, like this, okay. I am doing this too. So between any 2 years, 2004 and 2008, there are 2 leap years. There are 2 leap years. If we take 2003, yes friends, if we take 2003, if there are 2 leap years between any 2 years, then the calendar repeats itself. After how many years? 5 years. After 5 years. So if there are 2 leap years between any 2 days, any 2 years, the calendar repeats itself after 5 years. Okay, dear friends. And if there is 1 leap year, there is 1 leap year between any 2 years. There is 1 leap year between any 2 years. Okay, the calendar repeats itself after 6 years. The calendar repeat itself after 6 years. So hope you understood, dear students, little bit clearly. Okay, in coming video I am going to tell of the same calendars about repetitions only we will discuss in detail. Thank you, dear students. Please watch and share it to some more students. So many students are having doubts in calendar sums. So please forward it as many as possible. And if you have any problems with my videos, please ask me or suggest me, dear students. Okay, thank you very much. Try to cooperate. Thank you, dear students.